Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Leoface Coach. Please, if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for dropping by, guys. So I'm just doing a review of our analysis last week, and I mentioned I'm expecting gold to buy to this point, and if it's able to break, gold is coming back to 1916. Right, so I made this analysis while we were doing our weekly outlook. But then I was saying I prefer a buying point around 1860. So gold should just retrace back to 1860, then we'll pick a buy, then we go up. And if gold did not buy from here, most likely gold is going to respect this demand zone right here, 1832, and then push up. All right. So but it's so sad, right? Gold actually got to our target without coming to our entry. So that's just the update that I want to take this out. The reason why I'm actually recording this video is because I want us to be accountable for every trade that we are taking in our weekly outlook, right? So because I want to take this out so that my chart will look neat. So if I have any entry that I'm going to enter into the market, then I will record a video on it again. So just to be accountable, we are looking at this demand zone and this demand zone as our buying zone, right? So just expecting the market to do a little pips down, retrace, and then buy. But then the market open with a gap, push up, look at this support, this little support right here, there, that pushes the market to the upside. So we don't have any entry yet. But then I'm still hopeful that if this market can retrace down to either this zone or this zone, we should be able to pick a buy. We should still be able to pick a buy. So let's go back to our 4 hours, and we see if this market is going to have any rejection around this zone. Then we can go for a sell. So you can see that there is a lot of massive selling pressure around this zone, right? So if this market can touch this zone, then we can think of selling. But depending on how this candle will react and the next candle, I'm very much particular about the next candle after this. So if the next candle after this actually have some rejection, then we might think of selling. But then I already have this bearish engulfing right here, which is telling me that the sellers are coming into the market. It's a simple analogy because look at all these candles that have been forming a bullish candle. We have a lot of rejection right here, and then now we have about 4 hours dominated by sellers, another 4 hours dominated by sellers, which means the selling pressure is now coming into the market, right? So we just want to see what will happen around this zone, if the market is still going down or is still going to continue to move up. And don't forget that the market is currently in an uptrend. Any selling opportunity you are taking is just a mere pullback. It's just a pullback. If you say the market is reversing, I will continue to mention it. So this is an option where the market continues to reverse higher low. So before you can say the market is selling, it must break the previous low that we have. So after breaking the previous low, you can take your sell from the next um lower high structure and then sell, just like I explained in my very last video, right? So before you can say this market is on sell, it must break this structure. So after breaking to this structure, you can now pick yourself from any lower high and trade the market down. Alright, so that's what I'm looking at, and I'm sharing this video with you because this year I want us to be very, very accountable. We have our profit for week one, profit for week two. Week three we had a loss. Week three we had a loss. This did not get our target before reversing, so partial profit. We had a loss, we had a profit, and week five our entry is not triggered yet. So but then this zone is still very much active. If this market can sell back to this zone, this is still buying zone for me, because as far as I'm concerned, gold is still buying. So A very quick one, guys. That's just what I have to share with you. Update about our analysis we did last week. That our entry is not too good, but then the entry is still very much valid. So hold on to your position. Cheers, guys.